Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to create a Vimeo channel. First, open your browser and go to vimeo.com. Then click on your profile picture in the top right corner and click on Watch from the drop-down menu. Then go to Channels. Here, click on Create a Channel and give your channel a name. You can add a description to your channel. And here, add videos to your channel. Then click on Create this channel. Now you've successfully created your channel. Click on the settings. And here you can change the settings of your channel. You can add tags. Here is the link to your channel. You can customize it. And here you can add the categories. And after finishing, click on Save Changes. Here you can change the appearance of your channel and click on videos if you want to add videos to your channel. Membership to set the privacy settings, and click on advanced if you want to enable notification emails or if you want to delete your channel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.